In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pre-filled links for Google Forms. This is a super handy technique to save time and ensure that your responders have the essential information already filled out before they start answering. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to Google Sheets. In case you didn't know, you can find Google Sheets within your Google account, making it quite simple to reach. Once you're on the Google Sheets homepage, the next thing you need to do is seek out the icon that represents Google Apps. This icon is generally located in the upper right corner of your Google homepage. Clicking it will open a drop-down menu with various apps and tools provided by Google. Now navigate through this menu until you find the Forms app. It should be clearly labeled. Clicking on it will bring you to your list of available Google Forms. Here you might find many forms if you've already been using Google for a bit. You'll want to browse through and select the form that you wish to create a pre-filled link for. With the chosen form now open, direct your attention to the small three-dot menu at the top right corner of the form editor interface. Clicking on this will give you a list of additional options, and what you're looking for is the pre-fill form option. Selecting this option allows you to start the process of crafting a pre-filled link, essentially giving you a sneak preview of the form where you can fill in any necessary answers on behalf of your respondents that you'd want them to see when they click on your link. Once you've entered all the pre-filled answers, the next step is to look towards the top right of the screen. You should see a button that says Get Link. Click on this and you'll be provided with a special URL that contains the pre-filled answers you've just defined. After following these steps, click on Get Link again to copy this URL. To do so, look for an option labeled Copy Link. This is the last step. Clicking it will save the link to your clipboard so you can easily share it with anyone who should have those preset responses when they open the form. And there you have it. You have successfully created a pre-filled link for your Google form, and now you can share it with others to streamline their response process. Utilizing this feature not only enhances efficiency, but also significantly reduces the potential for errors in individual responses. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.